Hello and welcome to my second tutorial on the if and else if functions. Last time we were looking at the text window and the write line function. So today we are going to start our first if function using our mood variable that we created last time. So the first thing we are going to do is type in if mood equals good or good then text window.writeLine that is good to hear. So that literally means that if the person writes good when they ask when the computer asks how are you, this is what it will return them. Now we put else if, so that means if the person doesn't write good but instead they write bad, so else if mood equals bad or bad, then text window.writeLine, I hope your day gets better. So this means if the person writes bad when they are asked how are you, they will the computer will tell them that they hope their day gets better. And then our final line of code says text window.writeLine goodbye, so it's just saying goodbye. And now we are just going to run that code. Oh, always remember to put an end if and right click to format program so that everything looks neat and press run. Oh, save as well. Oh yes, one thing to always remember is the then. Then is a really important piece. So it says, hello, what is your name? T-tech. Hello, T-tech, how are you? I am good, so I would write that. And it says, that is good to hear, goodbye. So it has given us the message that we wanted, and that is it for now. And so we end program, and I would like to say thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you again soon. We learned about the if and else if functions. Save your work, and goodbye.